So you're probably curious about how the Pomodoro technique works and how you can use it to boost your own productivity. Well, it's used by students, professionals, and individuals to stay focused around the world. Millions of people use it every single day. So here's the first step. The first step is to set a timer for 25 minutes. Now this gets you in the work focus zone, and then after your timer finishes, set a 5-minute timer for a planned break. Now this in its entirety, the 30 minutes, is called a cycle, and you can do up to 4 cycles before you need a little bit of a longer break than just 5 minutes, maybe 15 or 20 minutes, and a bigger rest. Now the reason why people like this is because 25 minutes is quite approachable for getting started with work. And the planned break gives them time to prepare for a break so they aren't distracted during that 25 minutes. So many people use the Pomodoro technique with a timer app, and you can find loads of timer apps over on toolfinder.co. We actually have a way to find them and a way to save on them, so you can get a discount on fantastic timer apps over there. So a lot of students will use this for setting a 25-minute focus time and then a 5-minute break, and doing cycles dependent on how much they want to focus on things. For example, a certain task like write a report could be worth 3 to 5 cycles, or a certain revision activity could be worth 1 cycle. It's a really effective technique and well worth exploring if you are a student, professional, or need that environment to focus and kickstart a new productive routine. Make sure to check out toolfinder.co if you want to explore tools that will help you with the Pomodoro technique, and you can find those linked in the description. Thank you very much, and do subscribe to this channel if you want more tips and advice around tools.